How to fix Macy's promo code not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Macy's website. Here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your name at the top. After you click on your name at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here on the right side, you'll find this option. Simply click on Wallet. After you click on Wallet in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply scroll down and you will find promo code option. Click on Add Promo Code. After you do that, here, make sure your promo codes are all correct. And after you do this, make sure if it's capital, and if everything is small, add everything in small. Make sure every word or number are same. And after you've done that, simply press on save and continue. And you will find your promo code working. And this is how to fix Macy's promo code not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.